Hi, my name is Dr. Todd Rowe, and I'm here to share a few tips on the homeopathic medicine Urtica Urens. Before I start, I'd just like to say that nothing in this material is meant to diagnose, treat, prescribe for, or cure any illness. Please consult your homeopathic practitioner for treatment options. Urtica is also known as stinging nettle or dwarf nettle. It's a plant in the Urticaceae plant family, and the medicine is made from a tincture of the plant in flower. The plant grows to about 1 to 2 feet in height and is tough and fibrous. And if any of you have ever wandered through a stinging nettle thicket, it's an experience you don't forget. It can be quite itchy and quite uncomfortable afterwards. It's a substance that has been used for historically for over 1,000 years. It was used in flagellation, where you would whip paralyzed limbs with the Urtica plant, and it would help to restore a modicum of functioning in those limbs. It's also used to prevent bleeding, both topically and internally. And it's been used for nosebleeds and heavy periods, as well as coughing up blood and blood in the urine. It's also been used to treat a variety of bladder problems, including kidney stones, as well as prostate problems like benign prostatic hypertrophy. As a homeopathic medicine, mostly we use this acutely for skin problems, and particularly for Urticaria or hives. It's one of our main remedies for this, along with Apis mellifica or the honeybee. The characteristic is that there are little tiny stinging pains in a particular area of the body. Also, there can be burning quality to the skin as well. You can use this as a first aid remedy for burns, particularly primary and secondary burns. It can be a useful remedy both topically as well as internally. It's a wonderful remedy, especially when you have combination of arthritis and hives or urticaria together. It's also one of our most useful remedies for chicken pox. It's our primary remedy for allergic reactions to shellfish or hives, particularly when there's a lot of burning and stinging that accompanies. You can use Urtica Urens for angioneurotic edema, or individuals who have swelling in the throat and have trouble breathing after some kind of allergic exposure. Typically the symptoms are worse from cold air, worse annually, and worse at night. Urtica Urens is useful for treatment of breast problems, in particular breast milk problems, where there's either too much or too little milk. So it can help restore a normal flow of milk. Also a useful remedy for gout. With their hives, typically it is worse from heat, worse from exertion, and worse at night. Also, you can use this remedy for insect bites and stings. It's even a better remedy than Apis mellifica for small, piercing, burning pains. Mostly you'll compare this medicine to Apis mellifica or the honeybee, also to Natrum muriaticum or sodium chloride, and Rus toxicodendron or poison ivy. You can order this remedy at orders at amchh.org, or if you'd like to know more about this medicine or other homeopathic medicines, you can learn about our acute care program at acutecare at amchh.org. Thank you very much.